The people say they don't know Reggae Vibes Media always I bring you the something with them, though. So after the long wait, the long wait, the long wait, and we don't know what go on. You see me I say, for the great Spice. Welcome home, Spice. Welcome home. You see me I say, yes, Spice dropping at the island. You see me I say, with our youth, them, you see it. Yeah, man, she there with all of the something them we are going on social media from what day and what we are here and all of them something there. Yeah, she up and running, walking and alive and well. You see it? So I have to give thanks to life. You know what I mean? From Reggae Vibes Media, mama big up yourself. They are fresh. You know what I mean? Health, strength, life and greatness and everything we're good. You see me and say, yeah, hope you're in at the best. You know? When we are saying out 100%, you know the something go. You know, for forward and do the work and because we don't know, we've been waiting to hear from you, to hear what you have to say, hear what you have to tell your fans them, hear what you have to tell the people them. Because nobody no really know what going on, you know. Because we don't know if you can jump up and go on with yourself on the stage again and all of these things. You see what I say? So, we just elated for know, say, yeah, you reach back a yard, you drop on the soil. You know what I mean? You're there. Then, some Mama Spice just go and big up yourself, you know. Yeah. I'm not talking about Mama Spice. The Mama did a whole heap of things in a dance prior to female, you know. The female diaspora, yeah, Spice. For all who don't know Spice. Yeah, she come and she change the game when it come to female dancehall. It was Lady Saw. You know what I mean? You have a couple singing artists, female. You know them way there. But when we talk about hardcore, when we talk about hardcore dancehall, hardcore deep dancehall, I talk about deep core deep dancehall. Yeah, see it there. Spice we are talk about. So welcome home, mama. You see me I say I hope you full joy yourself while you're there because we don't know you know. Because a woman will just jump on a plane and gone again, you see it. Yeah. And then at some point they mentioned some shows and some coming up for the 23rd. So, you know what I mean? I'm not talking about the 23rd of this month. I'm talking about 2023. You see it? Yeah, man. So you don't know yet right as the first in the Reggae Vibes Media, you know. And it's your boy Gryzzly Bear. I'm out.